Home remedies for gas trouble. Stomach gas is due to abnormal mixture of oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen and methane gases in digestive tract. All over the world, people suffer from acidity. Here are some home remedies for gastric problems. Remedy 1. Take a glass of water, put 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds and little black salt and mix it well. Take with warm water. After eating food, it relieves gas instantly. Remedy 2. Take a bowl, put teaspoons of turmeric powder and add half teaspoon of salt and mix well. Take this mixture with warm water and drink it. It relieves gas pain instantly. Remedy 3. Take a glass of warm water and add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and mix it well. Take this early morning. It stops gas formation in the body. Remedy 4. Take a glass of warm water, add half teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and mix it well. Take this drink and you will get instant relief. Remedy 5. Take a cup of warm milk and add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and mix it well. Take this drink and get relief. Remedy 6. Take a glass, add 2 teaspoon of lemon juice and add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix it well. Now add some water and stir it. Drink it slowly and you get relief from acidity. Remedy 7. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is the best remedy for uncomfortable gas pain. It is a proven traditional way of relieving uncomfortable gas pain. It contains anti-inflammatory ingredients. To make ginger tea, we need ginger juice and some hot water. Take a glass of hot water, add 2 teaspoons of ginger juice and mix it well. You can add honey according to your taste. This gives a great relief for gas trouble. Remedy 8. Lemon juice. Lemon contains citric acid, which is an antioxidant that controls the acid levels inside yourself. Lemon helps in relieving indigestion, heartburn, sore stomach, upset stomach. It also breaks the gas bubbles easily. For this, we need to extract lemon juice and mix it with warm water. For better results, take this twice in 8 hours. You can add honey to enhance the taste. Stomach gas is due to abnormal mixture of oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen and methane gases in digestive tract. All over the world, people suffer from acidity. Remember, drinking lots of water daily avoids any type of gas problems.